Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fade the music in the end of your video in your project in DaVinci. First of all, as you can see, I already got everything set up. There's this video almost without any sound effects, and there's this music that I want to use as a background. But when we want to finish the video, there's already like the music is very dominant in the end, and we really want to fade it out and give the extra touch of the video. But as you can see, when I'm at the end of the voice or the music that I already imported, there's this little side of and at the end that I can play with. And let's say I want it to fade out last 20 seconds of the video. And now with this little ball here, you can change the intensity. So it will fade out eventually into this is like 0 decibels. So it will be completely mute at the end. So that's how you do it. That's how to make a fade in your video. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.